Okay, I got a sink faucet that's well old and time to replace. So I'm gonna go through the steps of pulling this one out and replacing it with this one. What I want to do now is pull out the old faucet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is shut off the valve here. Okay. That side. Shut it off here as well. Let me just verify, now that we shut off the water, that it's not working. Okay. Just drips, that's good. Now I can use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the old sink's supply lines now that the water is shut off. Have a towel ready to catch the drips from the supply line. And now we want to disconnect the other supply line. Now, what's keeping the faucet in place on this style of faucet are these plastic nuts on the underside of the sink. They need to be twisted off, but turning these plastic nuts can prove difficult as they are hard to reach with so little space back there, and they can be rusted in place. So now there's those screws that are holding it in. I'm going to show you how I do this. I just take my tool. Okay, and I was able to get these off by grabbing on and then twisting with this. All right, so now we can pull out the old one here. So the other thing we need to do is take this old sprayer out and then clean this off. And removing this part of the sprayer was just another plastic nut that I was able to turn by hand. So now this part pops up, but we need to disconnect it from here, actually. Okay, so now I can drop that down, pull this up. Now I can pull this up. Alright, so here is our trash. They can go in there too. Now it's cleanup time. So now I can use a razor blade and a sponge to clean up the top of the sink so that a new faucet can go on top. And then just to be sure, I came back with some steel wool to really clean up the area. Now let's open up the new one and see what we got in here. Hopefully there's no surprises and we're just ready to install. Okay, good. It came with one of these. I was worried it wasn't going to have one of these. So this is just going to cover up the old holes beautifully. Okay, so let's drop our So now I can grab these and snake them up. And this just screws up here. With our faucet in place, we can now connect the new supply lines to the hot and cold water pipes. All right, let's try turning on the water and make sure that we don't have any leaks. Cold water doesn't appear to be leaking. Hot water doesn't appear to be leaking. Okay, that's great. Now, let's try this. Nothing leaking down here. All right, so now we want to try adding our counterweight. That'll keep this thing up until we pull it down. Weight here. You see it says it right there. Put our weight right here. Clamp it down. Okay, so that keeps that up. And when I pull it, it goes right back up just because of that counterweight. Here, I'll watch the bottom now. And that's how that works. Okay. Button activator once to pull this off. All right, so now we have this ugly hole right here, and we're going to take care of that. This guy right here. It's really simple. And then tighten it up from the bottom. I'm just going to screw this in. There we go. So that's locked down, watertight. Good enough for me, looks good enough. There we go. Okay, now we have our faucet fully installed, and it works great. And if you like this style of faucet, I'm going to link it in the description below so you can take a look at it yourself.